Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant blue screen on console. If you're experiencing the following blue screen, then you're in the right place. If you tried everything to fix this loaded screen on Valorant console and there's nothing working, you can try this new method because your location might have to do with the glitch. You're going to need a VPN on your mobile device. So go ahead and go search up on your app store a free VPN you can use and go ahead and download a VPN if you don't already have one. I suggest this one because it's free. The next step is to go back to your browser and you're going to go ahead and search up PlayStation Network account, or if you're on Xbox, you're going to do the Xbox equivalent by going to your Xbox account. And now on your PlayStation Network, you're going to basically start a new PlayStation Network account and choose the country that your VPN is enabled. In this case, it would be the US, so you're going to scroll all the way down and choose the United States. The next step, you're going to choose a state or province that matches your VPN. Continue to input your information in the prompts to create your new account. The next step is to make your email and address and your password. Once you do that, you're going to go click next, and then you're going to click agree, create account. Once it loads and confirms, you're going to go to your PlayStation or Xbox Home dashboard and start the new account process. And here you're going to put in the email address and password. So go ahead and fill out with the one you used when you created on your phone. Now put your postal code, city postal code, and make sure it is in the US. And once you've done that, you're just going to click next. If that doesn't work, again, your best bet is to make sure that the region you're in, sign in on Valorant, is the same region you have on whichever country you're from. So if you're from the US, you have to make sure your Valorant region is linked up the same way that it is in the US. Hope this video helped. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.